To download the Outlast trials on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Simply type Steam into a search engine. Then click on the first link that appears, which should be the official Steam website. From there, click on Install Steam at the top of the page. Select your platform, and click Install Steam again. Once the Steam setup has been downloaded, click on it to open the setup wizard. Follow the prompts to select your language and choose a destination folder for the installation. Then click Install to begin the installation process. Once Steam is installed, open the app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one. If you don't see the Steam store, click on the Store tab to access it. Next, type the Outlast trials into the search box at the top of the page and press Enter. You may need to click on the gear icon and select View Unfiltered Search Results and uncheck Hide Ignored Items to find the game. Click on the Games page. Then scroll down to the Buy the Outlast Trials section. You can choose to buy the original game or a special edition. The process is the same for both. To complete the purchase, click Add to Cart and then View Cart, and select whether you're buying the game for yourself or as a gift. Choose your payment method from the drop-down menu. Then continue through the checkout process to pay for the game. Once the purchase is complete, the game will be added to your Steam library. To access your library, click on the Library tab at the top of the page. Find the Outlast trials, and click the Install button. You can choose to create desktop or start menu shortcuts, and select which drive to install the game on. Click Install to begin the installation process. Once the game is installed, you'll receive a notification from Steam, and the Install button will change to a Play button. Click the Play button to launch the game and start playing.